Good day po sa inyo lahat. John AC Tan po, founder ng HQ101 AMS Station. And ngayon po ang topic natin ay discuss natin kung ano talaga ibig sabihin ng PMS. So, ang PMS talaga dinesign yan as a protocol wherein iba-iba yung kanilang procedure. No? So maraming shops na nag-o-offer ng PMS. Medyo nakakalito kasi nahalo-halo na nila. So just to start the topic, we'll discuss about the PMS that's being conducted by the CASAS. So ang PMS is periodic maintenance services.